Top 7 Fat-burning foods. Here are 7 fat-burning foods that are often recommended for their potential to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. 1. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins and caffeine, which may help increase metabolism and promote fat oxidation. 2. Chili peppers. The compound called capsaicin, found in chili peppers, has been shown to have thermogenic properties, meaning it can increase calorie burning and fat oxidation. 3. Lean proteins. Foods such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, and Greek yogurt are high in protein and can help increase satiety, boost metabolism, and preserve lean muscle mass. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are high in fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote fullness, and support a healthy metabolism. 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help control appetite and improve metabolic health. 6. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in calories and high in nutrients. They are rich in fiber and can be filling while providing essential vitamins and minerals. 7. Nuts and seeds. Healthy fats found in nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, can help increase satiety and support a healthy metabolism.